Hi friends, now we are going to talk about how we can find what are some of the important tables and function modules are associated with the transaction code BP, because we know that in S4HANA all the standard transaction for creating customers and vendors has been changed with the concept of business partner. Business partner is BP. So if I go here BP and I go to business partner and I select this number. Okay, I get this. And what I'm going to do after getting to there would be some business partner created. And you can go here and you select workflow and archive. So the moment you do it, you get this business object now, the object type. You copy this and you go to a transaction. Let me open a transaction, and this would be SWO1, O1, not 01. Okay, so here you enter the business object. Okay, and here you get display. From here you will know. From here you will know. Again, you can find from the trace. You know what is the table and all those things. But from here you know this is the table. This is the key field, business partner. Then you can find from the attribute, you know, other things like created by, category, and all those things. Business partner category is important. Again, this is something that is stored here and all these things. So these are very important stuffs that it's stored. Now the next portion is the method. So in the method you can get all the bank details, all these details. You can see a lot of stuffs. These are nothing but code that will help you to find, use it. Okay, so if you want to add role, we delete role, change business hours and all those things, not everything will be relevant for you, but for sure some of this will be relevant for you. And here you can get all these things: how to display a business partner, how to create a business partner, all these things you can get information. And if I go into it, see BAPI change payment card method. So I'll just say all these BAPIs, the standard BAPIs are used and called here, and you can use it and simulate it. Remember, in SAP coding takes 20, 30% or 40% of your time. 40 to 40% or 30% of your time it takes in analyzing which is the perfect thing I have to write in the code, and then 30% is testing. So this 30% of the time when you're writing an ABAP code, you need to get all these details. What are the BAPs I'm going to use? How will you use it? And all those things. Once when you are completely sure about it, you should be coding, so don't start coding. Oh, I'm a coder, I'll ask. No, that's not the way. But find the perfect spot, find the perfect solution, find the perfect standard features that you can use. Or if you cannot use, there will be something that you can use 70 to 80%, and then 20% you have to tweak it. That's how SAP works. Don't start from scratch, because that project will never go live. Okay, and it will never end up, because you will miss something. Okay, this is 50 years of work behind it, with all the brain powers that has been used to build all these BAPIs and all those things. You cannot build it overnight. Okay, so trust me, don't go into that path. So use the standard features wherever possible, and wherever there is nothing available, then only use some custom features. It more 90%, 99% of the time, if you cannot, just use a wrapper. Okay, use the standard features all the time. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Okay, it may not end up nicely. Okay, so this is very important. So from here you can get all the methods, and again you can check the events, and if you want to create workflows and all those things, this is the starting point. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and happy SAP learning. And if you like it, share and subscribe to it, and have a great day.